Normally, when you save a random phone number, and tap on it, your iPhone only provides options like call, video call, and message using its default apps, phone, FaceTime, and messages. With the new update, you can set WhatsApp as your default for messaging and calling, making it your go-to app when tapping a phone number or link. First, make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. Then, open Settings on your iPhone. Swipe up to scroll down, and at the bottom, you will see Apps. Tap on it to proceed. At the top, select Default Apps. Here, you will find options for email, messaging, calling, call filtering, and more. First, go to Messaging, and select WhatsApp as the default. Then, go back, and navigate to Calling. Select WhatsApp as your preferred app. Now, exit from Settings. Suppose if you save a phone number in your Notes app. Tapping the number will now show options for WhatsApp call, video call, and message via WhatsApp, making it much more convenient. Tapping any option will take you directly to WhatsApp. This update is a game changer for iPhone users, who primarily use WhatsApp for communication. So that's how you can set WhatsApp as default messaging and calling app on iPhone.